Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick unbagging slash unboxing to do. It's a really small item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so let's get this little baggie open. Oh, don't need the knife, it's actually got a little pull tab. But, it's really sad when you buy a bunch of stuff from eBay and all this stuff comes with an actual return label and, you know, what you purchased. These are OEM Toyota parts. Ornamental antenna cover. So I guess my guess in the previous video, which was the guess with the what's in the box video, was correct. So this sleeve right here slides into the gap in the truck on the hood or the quarter panel, and this is the nut, which is also an OEM, and this nut goes in here and it threads onto the antenna housing. So this nut is 86396-89102, genuine Toyota parts, as well as this is the ornament for the antenna. This one is plastic, the nut is metal. It is 86392-35020. That's all that was in this bag. Just quick couple items. I purchased these just to have them, just in case I need them. And it's never bad to have, you know, extra parts, especially genuine Toyota parts. These items I've had on my SR5 for 22 years. And I've never once had to replace them. They get a little banged up because I use a flathead screwdriver to tighten this and loosen it. But you know, it's not gonna hurt to have them. I like buying Toyota genuine parts. When it comes to 2000 4Runners, you know, it's not a lot. They are genuine parts. They do say Toyota genuine parts, Lexus genuine parts. For those of you that think Lexus is its own brand, no. Lexus is technically the fancy version of Toyota. It's like people out there thinking that Scions are their own brand. No. Scion is owned by Toyota, and so is Lexus, and so is quite a bit other. This Lexus and Toyota is similar to Honda and Acura. Honda and Acura, they both make this exact same thing. Honda makes Acuras. It's just their luxury version. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking it out. If you guys need this information, I will hold it up here if you guys are looking for it. You can find it on eBay, as well as you can find these probably still from Toyota, but I only spent like $12 for these, and I think Toyota wanted like $60 for both of them. But they're genuine parts. They look exactly like the two that I have on, you know, the limited 4x4 as well as the SR5. But those are the part numbers if you guys need them. I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I will probably be showing you when I get the antenna mast motor. I'm going to be buying that from Toyota because I don't want to cut the Toyota harness off and have to wire it in. I like to just plug it in, plug it into the wire harness, mount it up, and I'm good. So I will get you the part number for that when I do the video on that. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!